Oh my God, Brendan, are you really? You're trying to take it?
Uncle James.
Brendan.
Uncle James, this is in the back of the truck.
Brendan. Hey. Hey guys.
Yeah.
Guys.
Yeah.
Brendan is trying to take it. Brendan, you can't take it all.
No, I know, I understand, but I'll replace it.
He's gonna replace it.
I'll replace it.
How much do you think you're gonna give me for the refrigerator, Brendan?
Oh no, this is love. This is family. This is family.
So I'm gonna give it away for free.
Yeah.
So how do I get another one back in here, Brendan? Who's gonna pay for it?
No, we'll get you. What's it? 1, 2, 3. We'll get you 9 dorm refrigerators. Part of the 9. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 9. No.
9. So wait, how many?
Yeah, 12. 12
Okay.
refrigerators to fill the spot.
Okay,
Yeah.
we're gonna do 12 refrigerators to fill this spot.
You know what? Yeah. All right.
Okay,
Yeah.
so I think I can get rid of it. We got a truck right outside. Brendan,
Right outside.
Right outside. And I don't know who's going to help move that thing because, I can't do it. I got nails. I don't know how he's going to do it. Brendan, how you going to move it? It got to go through are you going to take it through the double doors?
Yeah.
Because those are double doors. No, right here. Look.
Yeah.
Right through here.
Yeah, it'll work.
Let's see. Do this work. We got to.
Let me see the side.
Oh, it's going to work. Look. It's perfect. It's gonna work.
Perfect.
That's gonna work. I think it's gonna work, guys.
See, I appreciate that.
Oh gosh, I'm getting ready.
Family.
We're getting ready to get rid of this. This is getting ready to go. I won't have this no more. I won't have it no more. Brendan is gonna take it. He's gonna take it. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, I guess my husband's gonna have to buy a new one. Oh my gosh. I don't know what I'm going to do. Okay, guys, bye.